Morning all. Today is a slightly different video, as you've seen from the title and from the intro. Today we are going to attempt to walk around Mersea Island, which is just outside of Colchester. It's a muddy, marshy land, very pretty, very picturesque. Case in point, just look at that. But yeah, we are walking 13 miles around the island. We're doing it for charity, and we're amongst many friends who are also trying to raise money for Popcorn, a charity out of Witham. Anyway, I'll hand over to me.
How are you feeling?
How am I feeling?
Yeah.
I'm mentally prepared.
Yeah.
I'm feeling really loose, like I've loosened all my many body parts.
Footloose and fancy free?
Footloose and fancy free. But yeah, I feel all right. I've drunk, is this half a litre? Yeah, it's basically half a litre of Red Bull.
Wow.
And I only opened this seconds ago and it's nearly all gone. So yeah, I'm buzzing my tits off actually. How do you feel, my little lamb chowder? Clam chowder?
I'm a bit nervous, but overall I feel good. And I'm just going to go for it out in this lovely landscape. You can't really see right now, but...
Oh, half a marathon. When Mark said we were going to be doing a half marathon, I thought he meant a Snickers. And I was like, yeah, I can eat a half Snickers, that's easy.
We could do a whole Snickers.
I could do a whole Snickers. What a fucking nightmare. Oh, Alfie is here. He's in a little Christmas sweater. Alfie.
Oh, thanks, Mark. Did you get on that video?
I got you all really struggling with life.
Are we ready? Everyone just looks up at the camera.
The lens.
3, 2, 1. Hey!
Okay, so it's starting now. Oh, whoopsie. No, don't drop down to get the ball. Shall I go get it? Oh, Pa's going for it. Oh, many creatures. Is there an easier way? Is there? Oh, there is. Oh. Oh, we've already separated into many... What? Why are we separating? Why are we separated?
Are we not, are we?
Yeah, there's a few break-offs. I think someone's doing a toilet already. Did you enjoy the little obstacle course? Onyx is drinking puddles. How's it going, darling?
Good.
2 miles in.
Mud's not my favourite.
Mud is not my favourite. It is ever so muddy. I don't remember Mark signing us up for mud.
Just because it's just a bit awkward.
Never mind. Ugh. He does look noble, doesn't he? He's a noble gentleman.
He's like, da-da-da-da-da-da.
Yeah, puppy power. Hilarious. Oh, Onyx, what? Oh, me and Pa making friends. I know, Pa's a liar.
Sorry.
Are you trying to give that to me?
No, I was trying to hit your phone.
I'm looking at a perfectly grassy path and everyone's walking through the mud.
Yeah, he's got a point. There is a path to the left, guys. Isn't that pretty? Well, we're approaching the 3rd mile down. Feeling pretty good, to be honest with you. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling good.
Good for you.
You all right, Jack? Do you want to say a few words to the camera?
I thought you were behind us. Why did I do this?
Because you love popcorn.
You want us to get some words?
Please.
I've been enjoying it. I'm tired and I had people help me, but I've been enjoying it. Here's a few words. If I go
I'm in so much pain. My everything
Even
hurts.
the dog's exhausted.
Kill me.
How are you, Alfie? Yeah?
He's exhausted.
He's exhausted, but he's not moaning. You see? And here is Mark.
There you go.
Where's he at?
Howdy doody.
We are blaming.
How's your legs?
We are blaming everything on Mark today.
Like another stick of Kit Kat.
I'd love a stick of Kit Kat. Oh, nummies. Yeah, these beach huts look lovely, don't they?
They're really cute.
I'm not sure what point this is, to be honest with you, but we've done just over 3.5 miles. I thought I'd just go and have a little look at how pretty these beach huts are when the sun's beating down on them. Oh, it's narrow for such a curvy man. Wow, that looks pretty. Seriously, how pretty do all these beach huts look? I mean, I know we should be walking just over 3.5 miles down, and I'm still feeling a bit loose. I'm all right. I don't feel unwell. I feel pretty good. Yeah.
Which one will make the noise? The little one.
How are you guys making it? I don't understand.
3.5 mile.
We have arrived.
Eventually.
3.5.
Jesus Christ. Okay.
See ya. But they're festive, so you know, cool. Ho ho ho. So we're at mile 4.
Yep.
We're a bit behind schedule because of toilet breaks and what have you, but yeah, we've done
getting
4
there.
miles. And actually I don't ache,
No?
which is quite good. But we are ahead of everyone because we just want to kind of get
Just want to.
get moving,
Yeah.
get her done. Is that not the most festive door you've ever seen? Like, to be fair, the whole house is pretty nice, but the door looks lovely, and it's called Par. Oh yeah, I can see them. They're just on the horizon. Yeah. Yep, 5 miles down. Still 8 to go. Ugh. The team is back together now, though. You're right, little one. 5 miles in.
Nice, okay.
Okay, so we've walked like 50 yards longer than we had to. Annoying.
Oh no! It's going to be a duff bit of B-roll.
I I mean, I would trust a British man with a potato.
Mile 6. And yeah, we're all doing all right. Like, there's some poorliness, some stiffness, but I think everyone's sort of just powering through. It's pretty much the halfway point. Cool. We've just hit 6.
We're entering the second half.
Just hit 6 miles, guys. Which isn't quite halfway, annoyingly.
It's half a mile off though.
Yes, it is. I'm counting it.
Hello.
So we're just all sort of, well, we're not sat, I'm the only one sat down, and I think
Hello?
Hello? I think I've sat in a cow pat or just a human pat. Are you off, are you?
Not yet.
No? You're going to crack on?
Are these people good? I swear they're not.
Oh, little pooches. Look at them pooches. Getting here, aren't they?
And I'll come back here and do it again, so I get myself more money for. Oh no, I can't even stroke the dog. The dog's
Is that a euphemism?
no, I'll get paid.
You look at your hands, though. Good lord.
Let's go, let's move it. Oh yeah. I'm calling this all-terrain Essex, okay?
The winch system.
Hey!
A winch system.
A winch system.
Well done,
Oh
Pa.
my god.
Oh, what? That's amazing. Wait, where'd you get that? Is that from the dog?
This is how they built the pyramids, isn't it?
This is how, well, it's slightly different, but yeah, all right.
Cars today is the thing that made me travel sick.
This is a cool, this is an Olympic sport right here.
Oh my god.
Oh,
What the hell just happened?
God.
You know that question you asked me about how often I swear? By the way, this is genius. Like, somebody needs to take a picture of that.
That beautiful vista. It is a pretty little vista. Oh, Jesus. Oh, there's the rescue chopper I called. We've had a fall.
Right. Let's have a go.
We're all standing around. We'll take a picture.
Yeah, put your thumbs up.
Well, it's a charity photo.
It's a charity photo.
I don't know whether you can hear me because it's very windy, but we've just hit the 7 mile mark. 7 mile mark.
Yeah, you got a donation, guys. I think people would actually sponsor the dog. How old are you? I think you're doing a half hour. Keep it up. Nearly there. Oh, that's why I don't like.
Right, guys. Yeah, we're good, yeah. Proper commitment. Well done, gents. Hey. Everyone's got a dog. Hello, Duke. Look at you guys. Little pooches. Oh, they're kissing. Oh. Many dogs. Well done, George. Well done, everyone, to be honest with you. All right, Laura.
I had to give up the dog.
You had to give up their dog.
Little Kenny.
Little Kenny. Absolutely amazing. Look at George go.
Good, as quickly as. Right, thank you. Another one in.
There he goes. Nice. So we're now 7.5 miles in. The George and the wheelchair took a little bit more time than we thought, but everyone stuck together, which was the main thing. And now we're walking in the middle of a road.
Thank you, Adrian, for keeping us safe there. That worked really well, actually.
I did.
And thank you, Ruby, for the sign.
I missed the
Well
E
done,
off the
Ruby.
end.
You spelt it wrong.
I missed the E off the end of please, so part added
It says players.
But now it's like
The next
wonky.
step for us is George is going to be getting in the car just to get taken around the corner because this is obviously very unsafe. For the rest of us, we're going to be walking down the road here, so we've got to keep our wits about us because obviously it's dangerous.
Should I
We don't want to kill you.
Cleaning the wheels. If we don't stop, what? How long we've got? About 3.5, 4 hours, I reckon. It's ever so peaceful.
How long have we got left? I mean,
About 3.5 to 4 hours. In the dark. Mile 8. And 5 more miles to go. And the sun's setting in literally minutes. 8.5 miles in. And it's not getting any easier. It's just like flooded nightmares everywhere. Alfie's right there. Christmas Alf. Alfie! Hello, boy. Yeah, it's very pretty. In fact, someone just said the sky is worth it. Like the pretty view of the sky is worth it. And do you know what? He's got a frigging good point. Let's crack on. 8.5 miles down. Mile 9. Sun hasn't gone down yet. Actually, that's not true. The sun has gone down. There's my wife. I'm ruined. 4 miles to go. Fucking ridiculous. But worth it. 10 miles down. Every part of me aches. Every aches. And we got whatever this is to contend with. It's like a prison. Oh, Jesus. Oh, it's like a kissing corner. Oopsie. So I'm actually thinking of packing it in. Those who don't know me, I'm riddled with arthritis in my spine, my hips, everywhere. So this is hardcore for me. I realise doing a half marathon for some people is all very well and good, but I'm genuinely thinking of just packing it in here at just over the 10-mile mark. I don't even know if this is focused, to be honest with you, but 10.5 miles in. I'm not at the back of the line, but I'm at the back portion of the line of people. Even Laura's ahead of me. Don't know whether you can hear this because it's very windy. Sorry if you can't. Here we are at 11.5 miles with another cattle gate. With my lovely wife with her little torch too.
Very muddy, and there's a big concrete thing in the middle.
Of course there is. Do you want to hold on to it?
Yeah.
I got it.
Oh God. Get all barbed wire.
Oh, for fuck's sake, of course there is.
Stay on the side.
Anyway, yeah. 11.5 miles. Cool. Seriously, you better donate. Anyone watching this, just donate. A couple of quid, go on. I dare ya. Triple dare ya. It's Christmas after all. It's a lot slipperier than it was. Oh, like that there. Sake. Oh, Jesus. It makes it even worse that it's dark. Yeah. Listen. Yeah. To get over. Oh, Jesus, that's slippy. Okay, I need to go with that leg. Yeah. Can you hold this? Oh, okay, sorry. Oh, I don't know what's happening. We are walking by torchlight now, which is a bit trippy. Shouldn't say trippy because you could trip any minute on all this nightmare. Look at my trousers. Grommet. Here we are, 12 miles in. Do you remember a few miles back I was like, oh, I'm gonna pack it in, I'm like, right, see, I'm gonna pack it in, I'm too old, too arthritic. I'm still here at 12 miles. There's Laura up ahead, look at her. So on the camera it looks like it's light, but I can assure you it is, in fact, hang on, wait. Okay, so this is how dark the ground is. It is that dark on the floor. But we're at 12.5 miles. Haven't got anything else to say. Concrete. There's concrete we've seen for about 6.5 miles. It's a welcome relief. So we've just hit 13 miles. Just hit it.
Right, we're just heading up that grass path is to the car park up there.
Nice.
I don't know where it's going.
Good work, everyone. How are you?
All right.
Blinded?
I mean,
Oh, the
blinded.
moon's out. Look at how pretty the moon is. Last bit. 13.3 miles. And this is the car park. Still muddy.
Yes! Done it!
Fucking
He
muddy.
has done it!
Nice.
Oh, thanks, mate.
About time.
No powder. Don't trip over in the car park. You want to talk to the car.
Done it.
Done it, sweetheart.
Yeah, well done, mate. Well done, mate. Well done, Martin. You powered through your agony. You've done all of your sponsees proud.
Yeah, I hope so.
Yeah. Well done, Laura.
Well done, everyone, to be honest with you.
Yeah, well done.
Well done, everyone.
Well done, Matt.
We're there. 13.33 miles. So the charity we've been doing all of this for is Popcorn. They're based out of Witham, and it's an initiative which provides a safe social space for young people to meet others around their own age. It's a 10-week programme of weekly sessions which are facilitated to help popcorners to get to know one another and build a trusted environment where they can talk about what they like and share their experiences. Popcorn is a great way to feel connected, build confidence, and find a place to belong. If you want to donate, the links to the donation page are in the description. Thank you so much for watching.